a fly on your head.
I
Yeah,
will
even.
kill you after this session.
Hello. Hi,
Hello.
hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. You seem in very high spirits.
Yeah, exactly. But actually, there is a flying here annoying me. Actually,
A fly is annoying you?
yeah.
Oh, these
I'm
flies
trying.
are very annoying. Even I get very annoyed by them.
You know, sometimes land here, sometimes land
Yeah.
on my watch. Oh my goodness! I want to kill her, but I
The
can't.
worst part is whenever you're sleeping, they come right then and they just buzz in your ear and they don't stop. Oh my god, that's so
Bzzz.
annoying. That sound that doesn't stop.
Exactly. You know,
Very annoying.
so when you're fanning on her, okay, like, oh, go away, and then after like 5 seconds, you will see her like at the right place, the same place. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you, fly?
I know, right? We are very annoying.
I
Actually,
have
insects have. Sorry, you continue.
okay. I have read on on Google that the fly has 4 seconds memory. So after 4 seconds,
I
she
forget.
cannot. Yeah. She cannot remember things. So that's why
Oh,
they land sometimes at the same place.
oh my god, that's something new. That
Yeah,
is, oh my god. So that's exactly now we know why they land exactly on that same place. We remove them
yeah.
from buzz them off.
And then land on the same at the same place again.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Yeah.
that's very new. So they have a pretty bad memory in that case.
Yeah, it's only imagine if you have 4 seconds memory,
Yeah.
you will not remember anything.
I don't want such a life.
Yeah. What's your name?
Sakshi,
Sachi. My name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Sachi.
nice to meet you too, sir.
So, where are you from?
I am from Agra, sir. Where are you from? You don't look.
I'm
Are you
uh,
from India?
no, I'm from Iraq.
Oh, you're from Iraq. That's
Yeah.
why I wanted to ask. So, are you staying in Iraq right now?
Yeah. I live in
Oh,
Iraq right now. Yeah, in the capital.
oh, okay. So, were you born and brought up there?
Sorry, I couldn't catch you.
So, you were born and brought up in Iraq only?
Yeah, I born and raised here in Iraq.
Oh, all right, all right. That's great. So, I'm
Yeah.
talking to somebody from Iraq. That's a nice thing. I'm from India.
So I'm the first one calling you from Iraq, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Also, okay.
Yeah, you had an accent. I wanted to ask that from the very beginning. So I wanted to ask that where's that accent from? I've heard this somewhere.
Oh wow. So do you have that talent to distinguish the accent? Like, yeah, like
Yeah.
they have an accent, so they are from like a certain country. Do you have that talent to distinguish?
No, it's not a talent, but it's like I have seen a lot of movies from different backgrounds and cultures and
Yeah.
everything. So I could, it did ring a bell in my head, but I could not recognize that accent. That where have I heard it? Which was that movie?
Oh
So,
yeah.
so it's that.
So you link the accent with the movies. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay. Sounds
my
great.
brain functions
It's a
that.
great method, yeah.
Yeah. So I am a big fan of literature, movies, art, everything related to the around those lines. I am a big fan of that thing.
Wow. So wait until I tell you I have a bachelor's degree in English literature.
Oh my God! Even I have a major in English literature.
Wow. So we have the
High
same
five.
interest. Yeah. So you know I graduated in 2008
Okay.
and I have studied literature, poetry. um, novel,
Oh my
what
god. Okay.
plays,
Drama.
and
Yeah.
grammar, yeah, and
I said
actually,
drama. Yeah, but
yeah,
drama.
my phonetics and
Linguistic.
comprehension, but comprehension wasn't my cup of tea, girl. I
Short
hated so
stories,
much.
prose. Are that your cup of tea? Short stories, prose. They're quite
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah. I like novels so much.
Yeah.
Stories, short stories. Yeah, I like it so much.
So you like reading.
I like reading. Yeah, especially like the stories. Especially, yeah. Honestly, you can say like the kids' stories. I like them so much.
Okay.
Yeah, so I started to like to read books when I was in college. Actually, I wasn't interested to like to read books, like just my
Yeah,
regular
yeah, yeah.
books. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I
but
get it.
when I graduated, I became like no interested. Yeah, to read these books. Actually, I and then I bought books for adults. Okay, like you have to invest your time. And then
Yeah,
I,
I get
yeah,
it.
okay. I said, yeah, I'm an old now and I have to invest my time.
So
And then
that
I didn't.
depends a lot on teachers as well. Even I got very intrigued. So there's a fly on your head.
I
Yeah,
will
even
kill you after this session.